Hi guys, happy Monday. We are going to go ahead and get started with week 5. I just want to take you through what's happening this week and kind of point out things to you. So I've graded your essays and I will be providing a video with feedback about essays as well. But the revision reflection, if you click on it, it'll be due in 1 week, and I'll show you and I'll indicate to you where that tab will be next week. But I want you to check out that video and I go through the process on how to do it. This week, what's happening is today you are having a conference with me. It is not a class time. It is an individual conference time with me that you signed up for here. This outline for the essay is right here. It's the analysis outline. And all I want you to do is just answer the questions asked of you. That's it. You'll have a summary that you'll insert, so we're preparing that summary. Your opinion, your thesis statement, the point of this whole essay is for you to tell me what you think of what they did. Okay? It's not I like it, I didn't like it. It's what did they do, right? And so this essay provides an oversimplified view of Disney's New Man, and we could say it's done through structure, purpose, audience, and evidence. Obviously, this is a different article we used, but I'm saying, what did you think of what the article Flight from Conversation did? Okay, and it's the PDF attached. My apologies that the title changed in the book from Growing Up Tethered to Flight from Conversation, but it's Flight from Conversation. So that'll happen today. I'll give you feedback. You will sign up here, and then you will click on this link to show up to your conference time. The summaries due today, so you'll be able to have it. And then I give you summary help. How can you improve your summary? What were some of the mistakes that I was seeing last time? And it's right here, linked again, okay? So for Wednesday, what happens is that you have your rough draft, and I've included a student sample so that you can see what one looks like and what yours should look like. It'll be 3 to 5 pages long, and it will be Flight from Conversation, and I will change that here in a second. On Friday, you need to have your peer review process, and I've had that video in which I talked about it. Some of you really didn't do that part of it, and you need to. Okay, so I was gracious on points last time, but I won't be this time. So make sure 24 points. If you just submit your essay, you won't be getting that many points for that, okay? So make sure that you look at the video and you follow along and you figure out how to do this. And that's what's happening for this week. As always, if you have questions, feel free to contact me. Sometimes it's best just to pick up the phone, give me a call, and we can talk about things. But I hope you have a great week. I will see you soon in conferences. Bye-bye.